the party across global market might be coming to an end, with Bitcoin positioned to be one of the assets with the potential to come on top. The shift in the U.S. Federal Reserve monetary policy will ripple across the stock market as interest rates spike and they reverse their asset purchase program. Related reading: TA, Bitcoin reaches key juncture, why recovery won't be easy, at least, that's how Mike McGlone, senior commodity strategist for Bloomberg Intelligence, views it. In a recent interview with Scott Melker's The Wolf of All Streets podcast, McGlone talked about Bitcoin as a risk-on asset, inflation, and the potential correction that will hit markets because of the change in Fed policy. The expert reminded investor of the old adagio, don't fight the Fed, which in the current macro environment could translate to don't long risk assets. For Bitcoin, this shift could lead it to transform from a risk-on to a risk-off asset. McGlone said the following on the financial institution's coming policies to decrease inflation, sitting at its higher levels in 40 years, and what it could mean for Bitcoin in the long run. The lesson I learned about the Fed, what I think is happening in this case, is that we'll job on until I think the game is over, for stocks. The Fed, will be restraining until markets tell them to stop, but I think Bitcoin will come up better off. In that sense, the expert predicted a massive 10% to 20% correction in the stock market, which would result in a 1-to-1 correlation event with risk assets. This event's impact on BTC's price could be short-lived, as it could for Ethereum, ETH, but the altcoin sectors might be heavily hit, with some of the latest popular cryptocurrencies returning to their previous lows. On the alleged correlation between Bitcoin and the stock market, McGlone claimed there is insufficient data to support this theory. The benchmark crypto, the expert said, has only been part of the mainstream for a few years. McGlone pointed out that Bitcoin, BTC, is one of the few assets with strong fundamentals, which are only getting stronger. The crypto asset supply is on a sustained decline, with a rising demand, and a reduction in volatility. There is not too many assets that can say that. The first crypto by market cap has been stealing the shine from traditional hard assets, such as gold, while it increases its adoption levels, and it is included in some of the world's largest companies' balance sheets. Despite these facts, the price of Bitcoin seems to have made a full stop on its bull run. However, McGlone believes the follow trough will come with time.